there, guys. Welcome to the channel. Just wanted to share this unboxing video of this Elgato HD60 Pro. I'm planning on, I guess, stepping up my game or my setup. Improving my setup in terms of how I'm delivering content on this channel. And I thought I'd better just start adding appropriate devices. So yeah, I just wanted to share what this Elgato looks like. I know there's plenty of YouTube videos on these being unboxed, and I'll do a review. And plus, yeah, I'm going to be building a dedicated streaming PC for this device. I picked up in one of my previous videos, there was an Asus Sabertooth motherboard that I had bought for $5. So I'm going to use that in combination with this Elgato HD60, and yeah, I'm going to start connecting all my consoles and also other computers that I want to test out, like more on, I guess, some retro PCs that I just wanted to record the video footage from, and yeah, just kind of see where I can take the channel from there. So as you can see, yeah, you get basically inside the box, you get the device itself. You get a low profile backing, I guess, for the case itself. If you decide that you want to, if you want to put it in a more of a lower profile PC, you can. They give you the bracket to make that happen. And yeah, it just simply has like an input and an output. To my understanding, it's there's no lag. There should be no lag on the video feed. And yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it out. So stay tuned for the build, and thanks for stopping by.